In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. This method allows you to track important dates, deadlines, and events directly within your Notion workspace, so you can stay organized and monitor progress without switching between different tools or apps. Using an embedded countdown is a simple way to add both functionality and a visual reminder to your pages, whether for personal goals, team projects, or upcoming events. To get started, the easiest way to create a countdown is by using a website that provides live timers. For this example, we're using www.tickcounter.com, which lets you create a countdown that includes days, hours, minutes, and seconds. This gives you full control over the display and ensures your timer matches your exact schedule. Begin by setting the date, time, and year for your countdown. Make sure every field is entered accurately so the countdown shows precisely what you need. After entering all the details, click Make a Countdown. The website will then generate a live countdown timer and provide a shareable link. Copy this link carefully, as it is the key to embedding the countdown in Notion. Next, open the Notion page where you want the countdown to appear. Click anywhere under the title of your page to activate the editor. Type /embed and select the embed option that appears from the menu. A small input box will open where you can paste the link you copied from the countdown website. After pasting the link, click Embed Link. Your countdown timer will instantly appear on your page, fully functional and ticking down in real time. Once embedded, you can resize or move the countdown anywhere on the page to fit your preferred layout and workflow. This makes it easy to keep track of deadlines, events, or milestones directly within Notion. The countdown updates automatically, so you don't need to refresh or adjust it manually, keeping your page clean, organized, and dynamic. Embedding a countdown adds both utility and visual impact, providing a clear and engaging way to monitor progress. Whether you're planning a personal project, managing team deadlines, or tracking any important event, having a live timer on your Notion page helped you stay on track and focused. And that's it. Your countdown timer is now live and ready to use. It's quick, easy, and visually engaging, giving you a seamless way to track key moments without leaving Notion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.